Welcome to footage. If you like our work, touch the subscribe and press the like button. No commitment, stay with us to learn more. 10 lines on parrot. The parrot is a colorful and intelligent bird. They are found in India, Africa, Australia, Central and South America and more. It has green feathers and a short red curved beak. Its full body covered with feathers. The parrot can fly very fast. It has a long tail, 2 legs, a small head and 2 eyes. It also has a black circle on its neck. Parrots are omnivorous and usually it eats nuts, fruits, birds, seeds and insects. Some birds can imitate humans' voices. The pet parrot lifespan is about 20 to 30 years.